Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be making this fella. It's a mallet made from a piece of oak. I've been wanting one of these for a while, so I decided it's time to finally make one. And yeah, so stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so we're just going to quickly go through how I'm going to do this then. So I've had a look up online and I've got standard sizes. So the head is 90 millimeters by 120 millimeters. The overall height seems to be between 300 and 350 mil, and the handle about 18 mil thick. So this board is about 20 mil thick, so that'll be just fine. Also the grain in the head goes from side to side, and the grain in the handle goes up and down. Yeah, so it shouldn't be too hard. We're going to do 3 layers, so we're going to have 2 outer layers and then an inner layer, and we're going to have to work out some way of holding the handle in. So I think I've got an idea for that, and I'll show you that when I get that far. Yeah, so let's just get going. Okay, so the way I've come up with to keep the handle and head together is I'm going to leave a square of material on the top of the handle. I'm going to recess this into the center piece of the mallet head. Once I sandwich it between the 2 outer pieces, then it shouldn't be able to move anymore. I'll then glue it all together and put a few pins in it. I think that should be strong enough to hold it. As you can see, I'm using a scroll saw to do most of the cutting. You could easily do this with a coping saw either. I made up this little table to hold my belt sander on its side. It holds it at a perfect 90 degrees to the table. It's held in place with a clamp and blocks of wood all the way around. It's a handy little table to have. I'm using the router to chant for all the edges on the head of the mallet. This gives it a really nice finish. It just needs a good sanding then, and we'll finish it with some teak oil. Okay, so that brings us to the end of our video. As you can see, the mallet is all finished. It was really easy project, definitely something worth doing at home. It only took a couple of hours, I'd say. And yeah, the only thing I changed is I wouldn't put these nails in the sides. I did that obviously to keep it together while I was sanding it and stuff like that. I probably would have been better just clamping it and leaving it overnight. But I was in a bit of a rush, so I did the nails instead. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.